Oh, there he is, way over there. Oh, my goodness. Wait till he comes over here. You're not going. He was last year. Number 30, goaltender. Number 51, forward. Wow, Jerry. Number 62, defenseman. Andre.
Let's go bomb play. Oh, boy, buddy!
And the captain, number 91.
By the dawn's early light, what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and rockets red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free? Woohoo! Rumble! Nice.
Florida penalty to number 36, UC Yokonen.
Sucks!
Time 11:20. Yokonen, Florida, 2 minutes for hooking at 11:20.
Come on, boys. Forced it, Hedman. Bad bounce. Another bad bounce.
That puck is really bouncing. Come on, boys! There you go. Set it up.
Oh! Beat his ass! Who threw out? No whistle, bitch!
Goal at 5:03. Again, Florida goal, Goodmanson, Olsen, and McKenzie.
Wow, that's not a slash, right?
Florida penalty
Are you kidding me?
to number 20, John Bergenheim.
Sucks!
Time 5:34. Bergenheim, Florida.
Sucks!
For interference at 5:34.
Come on, guys.
Look how over aggressive they are. Capitalize on that. They got 3 guys on 1 puck.
Come on, cross side. You had it there, you puck in the wrong spot. Yeah.
Number 44, Eric Johansson.
Sucks!
Reporting. Time 17:06. Johansson, Florida, 2 minutes for reporting at 17:06.
Stammer. Boom. Yeah.
We're definitely looking for the skip.
won the face-off. Suck a dick, ref. Oh. There we go. Let's get some shots here. Rip it. There it is. Oh my God! How did that not go in?
This is the last minute of play of the period.
On 3. Oh my God! Are you kidding me? They didn't. He pushed it back too hard.
Good move, boy. Good move. Get the puck to the net.
Shots! Anybody!
Nice timing out there on a 5-on-3.
Point. No, Stammer was open. Going back to Cali. I don't think so. Going back to Cali. Going back to Cali. You just go coming over there.
A Florida penalty to number 19, Scotty Upshaw. For goaltender interference. Time 20 minutes of the third period. Upshaw Florida 2 minutes for goaltender interference and 20 minutes.
Yeah, guys, come on now. We can't do this shit. Skate the damn puck in. Why is Kucherov not out there in Filpo's spot? Nice, Stammer. Yeah, he did. Get the hell out of here.
Two-star from your Tampa Bay Lightning, number 9.
Tyler.
And tonight's number 1 star from your Tampa Bay Lightning,
Number 77.
I know we got 2 assists, but
No way. That's Hedman all the way.
we got a golden assist.
Now let's send it over to tonight's post-game wrap-up report with TampaBayLightning.com feature reporter Michelle Chitras.
Thanks, Paul and Val. I talked to you in the second period. We asked you how you were going to get that momentum back in the third. You guys did just that, took it to overtime. Talk about your team, talk about this win.
I mean, honestly, it's good to get a discussion start that way, but it was a really even game. It could have went either way, but I feel like pretty well. It was nice to get the win here. We should get confident with this and keep going.
All right, congratulations again tonight. Paul, let's wrap this up.
Thank you very much, Michelle. Ladies and gentlemen, the Tampa Bay Lightning, thank you for joining us tonight at Amalie Arena. Look forward to seeing you again for the action and excitement. The Bolts take on the Ottawa Senators this Saturday night at 7 p.m. here at Amalie Arena. Once again, on behalf of all of us here at the Lightning at Amalie Arena, this is Paul Porter saying thank you for coming, and please drive safely on your way home. Good night.
Going next.
Yeah.